What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Jurassic Grows Volvo Cars in Grapevine, Texas, and today we're going for a drive in this 2020 Audi S8. This vehicle is powered by a 4-liter twin turbocharged V8, putting out 563 horsepower and 590 pound-feet of torque, made it to an 8-speed automatic transmission. Those are some pretty awesome power figures, and yeah, like the S8 is such an awesome car. This interior is beautiful. It's like a caramel interior. I'm not sure what the exact color is called, but it is very, very nice. You also have Alcantara on the sides, and you have like diamond stitching on the seats, and you have Alcantara on the doors. You have carbon fiber interior trim in this S8 model. S8 key. You have a really nice steering wheel in this vehicle as well, and leather wrapped horn pad. Nice Audi logo right there. Shift paddles. You also have the digital gauge cluster. You have heated and ventilated seats. You also have massage function in this vehicle too. You press this little button on the side and then you can start it. You have a reverse camera with 360 view. You also have the 3D camera view. It's really cool. This vehicle should also have Apple CarPlay. I'm not sure about Android Auto. You can change your drive modes or views over here. It also says S over here. That's actually pretty cool. Not all of the Audi S models actually say S like that. So that's kind of cool. And I noticed whenever I turn on the car, the AC vents are covered when the car's off. So it like goes up like in a Bentley. So that's actually pretty cool. But yeah, very, very nice interior. All the materials are beautiful. You also have 2 sunroofs in this car. You also have an Alcantara headliner. But let's walk around the car and see what it looks like. This is like a true executive sedan. Even the door handles are made of solid metal. It's awesome. You also have an air suspension on this vehicle too. White exterior on this car. Here are the Audi sport wheels with the red S performance calipers. You also have laser headlights on this car, similar to a BMW. I love laser lights, they're awesome. Also says S8 on the front with the black grille. This is a beautiful car. You also have like soft closed doors too, and obviously the legroom's insane on this thing, with it being an S8 executive sedan. Amazing legroom. I'm 6'2", and look how comfortably I fit back here. And here's you have a little camera, mirror to see yourself as you ride in the back of this S8. You also have metal buttons. Also have carbon fiber back here, and you also have like little hooks to put like your jacket. That's awesome. You also have quad outlet exhaust on this vehicle. This is a really, really good looking car. I think it's beautiful. Look at that rear light bar, it looks awesome. And I don't see S8s too often, they're not very common. You also have the Bang & Olufsen sound system. And the wireless charging trays in here. And there's some little storage over there too. The center console is not very spacious. And if you want to use that wireless charging tray, you won't really be able to see your phone. Unless if you keep that up, you probably want that as your armrest. So drive modes, we're going to put in dynamic. Take it out on the road. And the air suspension raises and lowers as you open and close the vehicle and stuff. And in this dynamic mode, it's going to lower all the way to give you sporty driving. Oh my god, this thing is so fast. I think it does 0 to 60 in like I think I read that it does 0 to 60 in below 3.5 seconds. It literally feels that way. Like, it has ridiculous power. Yeah, that is so fast. It's like effortless power. It like takes off like a jet. And it's so comfortable too. Like this is like a awesome executive sedan. Like this is like a baller vehicle right here. True luxury, beautiful styling, which is understated but sporty at the same time, and amazing power. Very responsive transmission. It's so quiet in here. I love this car. That's awesome. So comfortable, so quiet, so elegant. I can't believe how comfortable it is in this dynamic mode as well. And like this is such a cool car because like you can either drive this car and have a blast, or sit in the back and have just as much enjoyment with the big legroom. Feels like you're in like a business class seat. Oh my God, look at that power. Let's put it in the normal mode now, see how it drives for the rest of today's test drive. I'm gonna put it in auto. I do admit the lane keep assist is kind of annoying. It's very intrusive. I'd probably turn that off if I was driving this car every day. And the car just glides along the road. It's like a smooth hockey puck gliding along the ice. Very impressed with this car. such an awesome drive, guys. Love, love, love this car. I would drive this all day. But overall, this 2020 Audi S8 is an amazing executive sedan. Absolutely love it. It's awesome in every way. But thanks for watching another video of Droove Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships and Grubbs Volvo Cars in the description below if you'd like to shop for amazing executive sedans like this one.